Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, all signs. So, let's see and let's check your person's emotion this coming week for you. Okay, so syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganon rin po pagdating kay Perception of Light and sa mga naghahanap ng healer, kay Kuya Dingsi naman po. Okay? And yeah, don't forget rin na i-subscribe and i-follow yung atin pong dalawang YouTube channel na nasa description box below. And if you have questions pagdating po sa ating mga items, they're all available. Protection from evil eye. So we have ring, bracelets, necklace, and syempre meron din tayong love bracelet. For singles po yun ha. Singles and may mga kakonect na sobrang daming conflict kung ano man ang meron. Okay? So ipoprovide niya yung dapat pagdating sa connection, pagdating sa'yo in love. And syempre, si Grantor necklace. By the way, si Grantor necklace po is made to order. Okay? Made to order siya. And this is unisex. Non-tarnish, hypoallergenic. And 20 inches long yung chain. And syempre, si Grantor yung taga-grant. Okay? Nang minamanifest mo. And tagapagbigay ng surprises kung hindi pa ready. Kung hindi mo pa ka-frequency yung iyong minamanifest. Ha? Yun yun. And syempre, pagdating sa ating cord cut, yeah, open, available ang ating cord cutting. So, message na lang po kung meron pong mga tanong. And yeah, para sa dagdag info na rin. Okay, about dito. Anyway, so let's see. Gawin muna nating per elements. Okay? Air, fire, water, earth. Your person's emotion this coming week for you. Let's see. Tingnan natin kung sino. Okay? Kung anong meron sa kanya. I mean, not sino. The energy. Okay? So, let's start with you, air signs. Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. So, who's this person you're thinking? Para ma-check natin yung emotion niya for you this coming week. What is their emotion? Oo. So, who is this? Air signs. Who is this? The Seven of Cups inversed. Could be a water sign. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Ace of Swords. Some of you, I'm getting this energy of two-person from the past and new. Okay? Yeah, the Eight of Cups. This is past. And this is new. Ace of Swords. Some of you, pwedeng ex mo nga ito, wanting na magkaroon ng conversation, wanting na magkaroon ng, sabihin nating, reconnection nga. Communication. Yeah. Three of Swords. The Five of Swords, gusto niyang makipag-ayos. Actually, yung past mo. If this is a new person, they see you as somebody na ikaw yung the best for them. Okay? So, I don't know. Syempre, hindi mo alam yun. Okay? Some of you, itong taong ito, sabihin nating, andoon yung, sabihin natin matalino. Okay? Specific yun, matalino siya. Alam niya yung ginagawa niya. Okay? Alam niya magplano. Okay, so some of you, kausap mo to. Or open ang line of communication if ever ex mo. Walang block. Okay? Let's see. Kumusta siya? Tingnan lang natin, kumusta siya? Anong meron sa energy niya ngayon? Anong meron sa energy nito? Nitong person na to, pagdating sa'yo. Air signs. The Five of Wands inversed. They doesn't want any kind of drama. Okay, ayaw nila ng drama. Yeah, the World inversed. Yung past mo, still, hindi pa rin makamove on sa'yo. Yeah, the Empress. Two of Swords. gustong-gusto ka pa rin ng ex mo, kung ex to. Kung ito yung new person, they see you as somebody na pwedeng makasama forever. Yep. Even though some of them hindi pa ready, pero yeah, they see you as their empress. They see you as their emperor. Their other half. Okay? They felt a strong connection with you, feeling a strong connection. Yeah, 6 of Cups. They want this. They want long term. Okay? So, si person mo sa past mo, namimiss ka. So, may chance na pwedeng mag-reach out ng taong to or sabihin natin gusto niya na mag-reach out. Kung hindi na kayo nagko-communicate nga. Okay? Walang masyadong ganap doon sa past mo. Walang masyadong nangyayari. Let's see what's your emotion this coming week for you, air signs. What is their emotion for you? Sino man tong iniisip mo? Anong emosyon niya pagdating sa'yo ngayong week? Emotion. The Hierophant. They want this. They want you. This is commitments. Attached. Focus is on you. Even though sabihin nating na ilalagay ka pa rin sa prioridad. Hindi ka pwedeng mawala. Parang ganyan. Okay? Sabihin natin kahit siya ay may kasamang mga ibang tao, mga ganyan, busy siya, hindi ka nawawala sa utak. Ito. Okay? Yeah, 10 of Swords. The Knight of Swords. Yeah. Meron dito talagang gustong gumawa ng action towards you. So, what's with this Hierophant? Pagdating sa emosyon. They want commitments. They want you. The Hierophant. Yeah, 6 of Pentacles. Iba to. Air signs. Iba to. 6 of Wands. The Sun. Gusto ka lagi nitong makikita. Ikaw palagi nasa utak ng taong to, whether past or new, or currently ka-connect mo. Ikaw palagi ang nasa utak ng taong to. Some of you, may chance ng surprise. May chance na pwedeng meron siyang ibibigay sa'yo. Lalo na yung kakonect mo ngayon. Okay? Parang ang focus ito nasa iyo lang eh. Yeah, see the 10 of Cups. Well. Napaka-green flag naman nung current mo. Air signs. Napaka-green flag naman ito. Kung hindi pa kayo nito, nakikita ko dito, yung kanilang intention is sobrang ganda. Okay? Good intentions ang nakikita ko from the current or the new person. Yung past mo, gusto nila ng new beginning. Okay, gusto nila ng new beginning, they still want you, they still love you, importante ka pa rin sa past mo, nasa utak ka nitong taong to ngayon habang nanonood ka. Okay, so pasensya na po ha sa mga tugtog naririnig kung naririnig nyo man. Okay, so let's see. Ano pa ang kailangan mong malaman? Air signs. They want you. Really, really, really want you. The Empress in reverse, Death in reverse. Itong taong to, hindi yung to kaya na wala ka. Okay? Parang feeling niya, ikaw yung parang kailangan niya. Napakalaki na parang ambag mo sa buhay ng taong to. Parang ganun. Okay? The 10 of Cups in reverse, the 7 of Swords. Hindi ka kayang makita ng taong tong wala. Okay? Wala pa man kayo, sabihin natin iba sa inyo, nakapag-build na to ng forever with you. O, diba? Yes. 9 of Swords. The 9 of Swords is somebody who, sabihin natin, overthinking. Okay? Yeah, the High Priestess. Attached. May na-attach na sa'yo. Air sign. So, yung current mo or new person dito, sabihin natin nandun na yung word na na-fall or na-attach na sa'yo. Like, sobra. Yung past mo naman, sabihin natin nandun pa rin, hindi pa rin nakaka-move on, attached pa rin. They miss you, longing for you, craving for you. Okay? So, you're in their mind. Yeah. Okay, so there. Next. Fire signs. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Let's see your person's emotion this week for you. Check natin. Tingnan muna natin kung sino to. Okay. Aries, Leo, Sag. Sino tong taong to? Anong meron sa kanya? Fire signs. Okay. The Queen of Wands in reversed. A downer. I'm sorry, pero yun ang unang-una kong narinig from that person. A downer. They have a lot of insecurities, some of them. Parang kung anong insecurities nila, gusto nila meron ka rin. Okay? Or sabihin natin kung anong hindi nila kaya, yun ang sinasabi niya sa'yo. Some of them, hindi sila ganun kagandahan, hindi kagwapuhan. Hindi sila like attractive physically. Or sabihin natin talagang may bad na masamang pag-uugali. Oo, itong taong to. Queen of Wands in reversed. Yeah, and the Ace of Swords in reversed. Some of them, andun yung energy na palamura. Opo. Ha? Okay? They're too immature. Some of them. Some of you, this is your kabet. Diretsuhan tayo. This is your kabet. Ha? Okay? Let's see what's their situation right now. Ito yung tago mong connection. Or pwedeng tago yung connection nyo. Like, secret affair. Yes. Matapang, some of them. Matapang. Let's see. Some of you, may energy rin dito na pwedeng hindi mo siya ma-approach or hindi kanya ma-approach, hindi kanya makausap. They're intimidated by you. Okay? So, kunin lang po ha. Kung ano yung nag-fit sa inyo, hindi lahat pwede. Oo. Pero kung nag-fit naman lahat, then, edi good. Okay, tingnan natin. Ano bang situation nitong taong to ngayon? The Five of Cups. Some of you, wala kayong communication sa ngayon. Or hindi maganda ang komunikasyon. Five of Cups. May pag-inom. Ako nakikita rito. Feeling nila wala kang panahon sa kanya. Parang may ganon. Five of Cups. Yeah, Page of Wands in reverse. They want your attention. They want you. Parang talagang energy ng kabetchiwa to. Opo. The Lovers. Nine of Wands. Yung feeling niya, parang wala kang panahon sa kanya. They want your attention. Hindi malabong itong taong ito is talagang kinukuha attention mo. Pwedeng may mga immaturities na nangyayari or ginagawa itong taong to, like signs ng pagiging immature, pagpaparinig sa social media, whatsoever, pang-aaway, whatsoever. Okay? Panggugulo. Because yeah, they want your attention. They want your attention. Kung hindi man yun, at nakita, at nakaresonate ka dun sa isa, yung parang hindi niya lang kayang gumawa ng action or pag-approach sa'yo kasi na-intimidate sila. Pwedeng itong taong to, ang sitwasyon niya ay parang biniblame niya yung sarili niya. Kasi hindi niya magawa yung dapat gawin pagdating sa'yo, whether babae or lalaki ko naman ang gender niya. Okay? So, let's see what is your emotion for you this coming week. Emotion. Andun yung parang pawa effect, andun yung mga paiyak-iyak. Ako nakikita from them. Kasi gusto nga nilang attention mo. Feeling nila parang isinasantabi mo siya. Ganon yung nakikita ko. Kung kabit, opo. Yeah, the hangwoman. Feeling niya parang kailangan ko lang bang talaga maghintay. Feeling niya option na option siya. King of Pentacles. Yeah. The Eight of Wands Universe. Hindi ito totally mag-reach out. Some of them, sabihin nating puro sarili lang muna to. King of Cups. The Star Universe. Yeah. Parang itong taong to is napaka-practical din. Kung kabit to. Oo. Nasa isip mo, kabit. Oo. Napaka-practical niya. Okay, kailangan ko maging mahinahon. Kailangan ko na parang mag-relax. Kasi, yeah, kailangan ko. Parang ganyan. Kailangan sa sitwasyon. Okay? Alam mo yun, yung energy nung side dish. Okay, like they're too practical for this. Too practical. Alam niyo yung mga mga energy ng mga kabit sa movie. Like, pasosyal. Tapos sila pa yung sila pa yung matatapang. Parang ganon. I'm sorry. Ang nakuha ko dito is a female. Yeah, a female energy. Okay? Female energy. Be careful. Some of them, hindi lang kayo ang option. Hindi lang siya ang option dito kasi pwedeng kayo din. Some of them, pwedeng nagbibigay sila ng attention sa ibang tao while waiting for you. I'm sorry, pero yeah. Ang mananahimik tong taong to pag binigyan mo ng pera. Magsha-shopping yan, kanya. Parang ganon, while waiting. Para hindi ka madistorbo. This is, yeah, I'm channeling. Sino man to? I cannot. Oo, so, okay, sige ha, papadalhan kita. Papadalhan muna kita, ganto ganyan. Basta huwag ka masyadong mag-chat. Huwag ka masyadong mag-text or tumawag. Okay? Ay, buhay. So, makiki-oo lang yan sa'yo. Kung anong meron. Anyway. But yes, andun yung parang feeling niya talaga is nasa di nating downside. Parang feeling niya kawawa siya. Yes. Ayun ang feeling niya. Yeah, Page of Swords Universe. Ace of Pentacles. See? Money. Page of Swords Universe. Quiet ka na lang muna ha. Ito na lang muna. Anyway. Four of Cups. Yeah. Yung energy environment niyan. Parang kailangan ko dito muna. Tapos ganito ganyan. Tapos, I don't know. Some of you. Ikaw to, checking up on them. Anyway, yeah, that's channeled. Yes. Hindi ko alam kung may naka-resonate sana. Wala. So, next. Water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Let's see and let's check your person's emotion this coming week for you. Okay. Water signs. Okay. Your person's emotion. Tingnan natin muna kung sino to. Kung anong energy meron sa kanya. Water signs. Sino ite? Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe while I'm shuffling. Kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe and follow. Who is this person? The High Priestess. Matalino. Apo. may pagkamatalino yung tao. They're quiet. Marunong makinig sa intuition tong taong to. Okay? Some of them, this person has good and bad side. And alam mo yun. That's not for all. Marunong silang makinig sa intuition nila. Some of them, they know stuff like this. This is, specific. Marunong sila. Some of them, andun yung word na gabay. Marunong silang, alam mo na. Okay, they have third eye, some of them. Okay, what's with this High Priestess? The Two of Pentacles. Some of them, they have option. Some of them, parang feeling mo they're a juggler. Justice. They know how to handle. They know how to manage things. They know how to balance things. Dark side, positive side. Parang ganon. Sandali lang po ha. Wait lang. Okay. So, specific. Meron din dito itong taong to is merong option or sabihin natin dalawa kayo sa buhay niya. Ha? Okay. So, anong situation ng taong to ngayon? Anong situation niya? Let's see. King of Cups. That is being open. Pagdating sa emosyon. Being open. Yeah. The Knight of Pentacles. Some of them, they're too focused on love. Okay? Pagdating sa kaperahan nila, medyo hindi okay. Yes. And Ten of Wands. I don't know. Some of them, they're like, parang may energy na, the Nine of Pentacles. Andun yung energy na parang ang dali nilang ma-touch, ang daling ma-fall. Anyway. So, Page of Pentacles Universe. Itong taong to humahanap ng isang sabihin nating way or isang dahilan para magkaroon ng motivation sa buhay. Parang ganyan. Okay? So, some of them, they're too independent. Yeah, they're too independent. Financially. Some of them. Independent ha. Pero, yun nga, kapag ito na fall, itong taong to, or na-attach, sabihin nating na naapektuhan pamamera niya. Anyway. Iba sa kanila kahit sabihin nating yes, may kakonect na, sila yung parang magnet na parang nakaka-attract pa rin. May ganong energy. Pero hindi lahat is pwede niyang konekan. Parang ganyan. Like, alam nila kung sino. Yes. Nakakuha rin ako ng energy sa taong to na they're attractive. They are attractive. Babae man, lalaki ko naman ang gender niya. So, what is their emotion for you? What is their emotion? Okay, may nag-flip ba? Wala. Emotion for you, water signs. Four of Wands. They're thinking of stability, long term. They want relationship with you. They want connection. Yeah, the Six of Pentacles. So, binibigay niya ng halaga kung anong meron sa inyo. Okay, marunong magpahalaga tong taong to. Kung sa tingin mo naman na itong taong to is kailangan niyang umalis sa isang sitwasyon, sa yung focus niya ngayon. Sa'yo yung focus. Okay? They're open pagdating sa'yo. Wini-welcome ka niya. Parang ganyan. Okay, yeah, the Page of Pentacles. Some of them, itong taong to is sabihin natin ready for you. Okay, they're ready for you. Parang sa'yo niya nakikita or sa'yo niya nararamdaman yung word na pahinga. Because some of them, they're too busy. They are too busy. Ang dami nilang inaatupag. Nakakakuha sa'yo ng comfort itong taong to. Nakakakuha sa'yo ng peace. Okay? Ng pahinga. Na-appreciate mo or na-appreciate ka ng taong to. Pwede kasing kung meron tong kakonect, pwedeng hindi siya na-appreciate nun, hindi siya napapahalagahan. And pwedeng sa iyo lang niya nakikita yun. Or sa iyo niya nararamdaman yung parang kawalan dun sa isa. Okay. They want this connection. Totoo lang. They want this connection. They want you. Gusto nila mag-give chance pagdating sa'yo. Okay? So, if this is a past person, they're living their life, sabihin nating focusing on their career, focusing on their job, finances if ever, no? Finances in general. Pero yeah, they're open. They're open pagdating sa new beginning or another chance with you. Okay? Pero hindi niya para hintayin yon. Some of them, they're healing. Okay? So, kung sa tingin niya, hindi ka magbibigay ng kung anumang mga senyales na gusto niya makita, then wala itong gagawin. Sinasabi lang ng taong to na open siya. Open siya. Sa'yo, sa ibang tao man. Okay? So, there. Yeah, Ace of Swords. Ace of Swords, that's communication. Two of Swords, Judgment in reversed. Yun nga lang, ang nakikita ko rito, ayaw na nito ng, sabi natin, energy about cycles, repeats. Okay, ayaw na niya yun. Kasi gusto na nito ng bago eh. Okay, bago. If ever. May nagdadalawang isip dito kung may pababalikin ba or iiwan na lang. Pero, yeah, yung opportunity or sabihin nating thinking about pakikipagayos is open. Okay, open siya. Anyway, so there, next. Earth signs. Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. What's for you? What is for Earth signs? Tingnan natin. Emotion ni person mo ngayong week. Pagdating sa'yo. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. One more. Okay, let's see. Sino ba itong taong to? Anong meron sa kanya? Anong energy niya? Anong meron sa kanya? Who is this? The Page of Swords. Could be younger. Pwedeng kausap mo siya. Page of Swords. Four of Wands universe. Some of them, they're, sabihin natin, hindi pa sila ganun ka-stable. Ito may specific. Some of them, they're looking for work. They're looking for something na pwedeng magpa-provide ng stability sa kanila. Okay, they're younger, I think. They're younger. Crush ka niya. Okay, some of you, there's these two energies na gusto ng connection with you. They want this, the Four of Wands. Yeah, the Four of Wands. Chariot. Parang yung energy niya is parang ano eh, easygoing, kung anong gusto mo, sasakyan niya, parang ganon. Okay? So, some of them, they're still studging, no? Andun yung energy na parang hindi pa sila totally open or sabihin natin hindi pa nag-work. Kasi ano ko dito, they're young. They are young. So, doon pa lang, no, may pwede nang hindi maka-resonate. Okay? Two of Wands, Universe, the Chariot. Pero this person, they have a lot of plans. Maraming plano itong taong to. Okay? Seven of Swords, Universe. Some of them, they're talkative. Or sila yung taong parang isasama ka sa mga plano. Sabihin natin, isasabihin sa'yo everything. Parang ganyan. Share niya lahat sa'yo. Walang tago. Parang ganyan. Yes. Some of you, sabihin natin, Four of Wands, Universe, wala pang label. Pwedeng magka-communicate kayo. You're in a talking stage. Parang ganyan. So, parang wala pang ganun na label. Or hindi pa nabibigyan ng label yung inyong connection. Parang ganun. Yes. So, anong situation ng taong to? Anong kailangan mong malaman sa kanya? Earth signs. The Eight of Pentacles, Universe. The Knight of Pentacles. Yeah, some of them wala pa talagang ganun na parang sabihin nating excuse me, consistent na pinagkukunan ng pera or source of income. Okay, sabihin nating hindi pa siya totally nakakita ng talagang pathway niya. Okay? Again, the Page of Cups. Meron ako dito dalawang energy na nakukuha. Somebody wanting na magsabi ng sorry. Humingi ng sorry sa'yo. Okay? They're watching you. Pwedeng wala kayong connection or relationship sa ngayon. Some of them, hindi okay yung pamimera nila. Pwedeng wala silang work sa ngayon. Okay? Wala silang ginagawa pagdating sa pag-action sa'yo. The Knight of Pentacles. Some of them, this is because of their ego, pride. Okay? I'm hearing Sagittarius. Simula ng talikuran mo to, parang walang nangyari sa kanya. If this is your ex, parang wala na nangyari sa kanya. Hindi na rin siya parang naghahanap ng new connection. Hindi sila ready for that. They're watching you. They're stalking you. Yan na naman tayo sa stalk. Anyway. So, what is their emotion right now? Oo, ngayong coming week. This coming week. What is their emotion for you? Earth signs. Their emotion for you. Three of Wands. A lot of expectation. Some of them, they're waiting for you. They're willing to wait. Nakakuha ko dito ng gap pagdating sa status. Nakakuha ko, yeah, the Wheel of Fortune. It's like willing itong taong to na maghintay para maging pantay yung level nyo or status if ever. Willing siya, o diba? Open na open yung utak ng taong to pagdating sa'yo. What's with this Three of Wands? Sabihin natin napaka-positive ng iniisip niya pagdating sa'yo. Three of Wands. Two of Pentacles inversed. Now, your ex is sabihin natin still expecting from you. Still waiting. Some of them, they're still focused, invested pa rin sa'yo. Okay? Itong new, or sabihin natin kakonect mo ngayon, they're willing talaga na maghintay sa'yo kahit anong mangyari. Kahit anong mangyari. Two of Pentacles Universe, I'm willing. Kahit anong mangyari, Earth signs. Parang ganun eh. Hindi ko i-give up. Yun yung word. Hindi kita i-give up. Hindi ako i-give up dito. Yeah, napaka-positive yung pag-iisip ng taong to. Yeah, the Knight of Wands. Meron silang plano, actually. Meron silang plano. Okay? Yeah, may age gap dito, pero willing siya na makigo with the flow. Or willing siya na tahakin kung ano mga dapat tahakin, no? Pagdating sa sitwasyon na to. Yes. Pasensya na po ha sa mga sa mga naririnig. Sa totoo lang, nakikita ko sa kanya is parang, yes, andyan yung attachments, attached sa'yo. Yung ex mo, still longing for you. May codependency kasi na nabuo. Okay, they're being needy pagdating sa iyong energy. Okay? Pero, yeah, same as this person, itong kakonect mo, if ever, na gusto ng Four of Wands, they're willing to wait. No force. Okay? Yeah. Walang sapilitan dito. Gusto niya to. Yeah. Gusto niya to. They're excited. They are excited. Yes. Maraming plano. Sineshare niya yun sa'yo. Gusto ka nga niya kasama sa mga plano niya. Sa mga gusto niya mangyari sa buhay niya, gusto niya kasama ka niya. Yes. Anyway. So there. Yeah. Yun ang aking reading for you. All signs. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, follow our FB page. And yung ating dalawang YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Thank you. Goodbye.